video blog. I just rode through Pennsylvania heading 219 south and whatever other routes. Got drenched. I am soaking wet. I did stop and put the raincoat on, obviously, but my lower leg is soaking wet. I want to see. Is just drenched in water, man. Went through Maryland for a little bit. Yeah. Drenched. Yeah, this is waterproof boots, but if you don't have the top secured with rainproof gear, your feet's gonna get wet. All good. I didn't want to stop and put the lowers on. No, that's not me. But just wanted to stop at this rest area, Welcome Center in West Virginia, the wild and wonderful state. Oh my God. Ready? Here we go. Oh, this one didn't get much. What's the deal? Wow. Why did that feet get all wet? But all I know is my feet is wet. I should wring the other sock up. Doesn't smell that bad. Anyway, gotta wring it out. Try to dry it. It's not gonna dry in the boots, but man, that is wet stuff. Route 219, Pennsylvania, heading west and south. Nice route. Nice little small towns. Pretty awesome stuff. That's the venture. Why ride through rain? Why not? It's all for fun. You know what I just found out? There's zippers on both sides of this motorcycle boot. I never knew that. Holy smoke. That's pretty cool stuff. I thought it was one side. Know your gear. Anyhow, what a trip it was up to Massachusetts. Another part of life. Attending my niece's celebration memorial. Man, more. God, let's ring this out. Yeah, she's in heaven. I guess if she went through the entire stage 4 cancer, it would have been pretty horrific. I saw my mom die in front of me with stage 4 all throughout her body. Not pretty sight. Her weight was probably down to below 50 pounds. I'm just glad God took her, because I certainly prayed for her to let go. She was a fighter. I love a crazy woman. Yeah, I miss her. That's my niece. That's my uncle. But most of all, I miss my ex, because I feel for my twins. Kids deserve their moms. Hey, Dunlop E4. Thank you, Dunlop.